Want to keep more of your Walmart profits? Learn how to monitor payouts and understand commission fees. I'll be going over it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing to reduce your commission fees, it also depends on your category, but pretty much if you log into your Walmart account and you go to Pro Seller, you want to get this Pro Seller badge because they are offering discounts. We just got it for one of our clients. You get up to 10% referral fee discount. That means you get 10% off of the commission that Walmart charges for certain listings. So you can view the reward and then you can make sure your listings hit that metric and pretty much save 10%. So if Walmart usually charges 15% commission, now you're only getting charged 5% commission, which is a lot of money saved. Now, going into the actual transactions and seeing how much you're getting charged by Walmart, what you want to do is first go into your orders tab and then just find one of your orders. Go to all, make sure it's delivered. Okay, so that way you get the proper fees. And now that it's delivered and everything's good to go, we can see the person. What you want to do is actually open up the purchase order and get more details, right? So we got the purchase order. Now we can get more details in here and it's going to make sure it's delivered. It has more details and right here has the PO number. We're going to need that in a second. But what you're going to do is open up the payments tab, okay? And then you're going to go to transactions. So payments, transactions. So now I have the orders tab open with this one purchase order and I have my transactions opened and it's going to look something like this. Now it should say PO right here. You're going to copy this PO number and you're going to put it right into here. And now it's going to tell you all of the charges. So there's going to be two different charges. Usually there's two if you ship with Walmart. So if you ship with Walmart, this is the first charge we're going to look at. And that means that Walmart is charging us $3.45 to ship this to the customer. So anytime somebody orders this item, we sold it for $19.99 and then Walmart is charging us $3.45 in shipping, which honestly is not that bad. Now we can go back. So now we know how much the shipping charge is. Now let's look at the commission. How much is Walmart charging for commission just for selling on their platform? We're gonna click on this second one right here. And it's showing us that Walmart is charging us 15% commission, right? And that's $3. So right now they're charging us $3 plus the shipping fee, which is $3.45, right? So $6.45 all together on this $19.99 item. They also are charging product tax. You can see that here, but it gets canceled out. So you don't have to worry about that. See, they charge the customer tax. They charge you tax, but it's the same amount, so it gets canceled out. So the only thing they're actually charging us is the commission and the shipping fee, right? So that's kind of how you can see those transactions and see how much you're actually getting charged. You'll be surprised by sometimes they're charging you a much less commission, or if you get that Pro Seller badge, this commission can go down. You just need to optimize your listings. Next, you can go to your payments tab and look at your actual statements. So you can see this one's paid to us. You can get faster payouts here if it's available. Sometimes it's not available unless you have that Pro Seller badge. If you have that Pro Seller badge, sometimes it's faster, but you can turn this on and then they'll pay you faster, right? You can see commission savings. We only saved $2 so far. We just got that Pro Seller badge, but we're gonna work on it. You can see the sales, all of the shipping and information here. And then refunds. So I'm going to be talking about refunds next, but also the WFS. So if you're doing fulfillment and stuff, you can see the return shipping fees and things like that. And a lot of these return fees you can see in your return section. So to access your return section, you're going to go to your orders tab. Okay. And then you're going to go to returns. Now what we're going to do is go right back to where we got that PO number and we're going to put it into here. And it's going to show us if the customer returned the item. We're going to click enter. And if it says no matches found, then that means that there's no returns. If there is a return, it's automatically going to pop up once you put in this number. And it's going to show you the return fees and things like that. So that way you can get a lot of insights into all of your statements, how much Walmart's charging you. But what I do like is everything's up front. There's not any hidden fees that I've seen on Walmart, but that's kind of it in a nutshell. That's it for today's video. What's the biggest challenge you faced with Walmart fees or payout? Share it in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your Walmart inventory, calling Walmart, increasing your sales, helping you get the Pro Seller Badge, and making sure everything is in tip-top shape on your Walmart seller account. The benefit of this service is so you can focus on growing your business while we're doing the daily operations, making sure your listing quality scores up, your shipping is everything's going good, and we can help you manage your business and increase your sales so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.